certainly continues to march higher, Tenbu, as you pointed out. Look, the three key elements that are driving gold here are pretty powerful. That is, what we're seeing now is some revisions to inflation expectations. Now, the market had a very, bearish view on inflation expectations. We didn't see the world that way. We actually expected inflation expectations to pick up as we go into the back end of this year. That will drive real interest rates in the United States deeper into negative territory, and that traditionally has been a very powerful element for gold. The other element to that is going to be this ongoing broad-based weakness in the US dollar. We've seen a little bit of it so far. We expect to see a lot more of it as we go forward. And so as a consequence, that can also be a very supportive element for gold, which is not that unlike what we experienced during the global or just after the global financial crisis. The other element as we go in towards November, of course, is the uncertainty around the US election, the small but should not be ignored risk that we may come out of the US election with no result on the night. It may be still too close to call. We see those sort of factors as continuing to just keep a little bit of uncertainty under markets and people wanting to hold gold from an insurance perspective. So from a gold point of view, we have a forecast of 1900. That, of course, is getting pretty close. But as we know with some of these things, they can overshoot in the short term. Our upside risk to gold is around the 2000 mark, which would therefore see it break a new record. That cannot be ruled out at this point. So still some upside for gold. Just on to silver, clearly silver has also been going off very, very sharply higher in recent days, of course following the lead of gold, but also the fact that we're seeing industrial production improve. Silver is still an industrial metal, and so it continues to support silver as well to be more moving in lockstep with gold over the next month or two.